सब लोगों को बोलते हुए सुना होगा लग्जरी लग्जरी लग्जरी. Let me show you how luxury looks like. Come in. So this is a 7-bedroom villa with all the multiple amenities, and if you can see, it's floor to ceiling heighted. Let me take you through the villa. Come in. So this is one of the bedrooms. If you can see, we have the walk-in closet and the washroom this side, and this is the bedroom. Here you can put your TV in. So this is another bedroom. Here you can put your bed and sleep over. Here is the closet, and this side is the washroom. I have something amazing to show you on the ground floor. Come. So this is the hidden washroom we have. Look at this. Nobody gonna know. Come. So if you see, this side is the hall. You can put your sofa and put your TV on this board. And this side we have kitchen. This is the dry kitchen we have outside. And if you walk in, we have wet kitchen as well. You can even say dirty kitchen. So this is the dirty kitchen. This kitchen is directly connected to the maid's room and the driver room itself. सबसे फेमस क्वेश्चन कि अंजलि इसमें पूल है कि नहीं है, जिम है कि नहीं है, स्टीम एंड सोना है कि नहीं है. तो लेट मी शो यू द बेस्ट पार्ट. यहाँ पे बिग पूल है. Here you have barbecue and that side you have steam and sauna itself. Even you have the shower this side. So here we are. We can access this from the parking. This is Majlis, if you can even call it bathtub. So there are so many people who don't want villa to be accessed, they want privacy and all. So this is the bathtub, we can directly access from the parking. Here you can enjoy, party, do whatever you want to do. And here is the washroom of it. Now I'm gonna show you something amazing. Don't concentrate on me, concentrate on the stairs. So this is the first floor of the villa. We even have lift, but right now I'm not using it, just to show you the stairs. So this is one of the bedrooms. This is the washroom and this side is the closet. We have the balcony here as well, if you will see. As I told you, this is a 7-bedroom villa. So let me show you the another bedroom also. On the first floor, this is the dry kitchen. You can use it multi-purpose. This is one of the bedroom. It also has balcony, if you can see. Another 2 bedrooms are, one of them are this side, one of them is this side. So let me show you this one. This is the bedroom. Here we have the closet and here we have the washroom. Let me show you the other bedroom. So this is one of the master bedroom, walk-in closet, washroom, and here is the room. This bedroom also has the balcony attached with it, as you can see outside. So this one has a pool view of our pool. We have this open space. You can use it as majlis. You can just put it your sofa, use it as a living room, whatever you want to use it for. It's just a vacant space. And here we have the washroom. Let me show you my personal favorite bedroom, the master bedroom. So if you can see, this is the walk-in closet you might have seen in the movies. कि लोग यहाँ से watches निकालते हैं, पहनते हैं. They have multiple clothes. So this is one of my favorite. Why? Because it has jacuzzi in it. Come. So we have this jacuzzi and we even have this vacant space. You can make it whatever you want. And we have the shower, washroom. Here we are in master bedroom. So even you can put your TV this side and put your sofa that side. This side you can put your bed and put another TV here. So both sides you can just put the TV, enjoy. Even this is with attached balcony. What I feel for this villa, it's not that content. As I told you, इसमें multiple amenities है. So let me show you the amenities. First we will start from here. This is the indoor gym, big space. We have washroom this side. And here we have outdoor gym. You can make this as an outdoor gym because it's a huge terrace. With the view, you can enjoy the view doing gym. Then we have this open space. Here you have the washroom. And here we have the open terrace. One more thing I need to tell you that this villa is just 5 minutes away from the beach. So you can see behind me, you can see beach. We are just 5 minutes away from the beach access. Let me show you one amazing thing in this villa is cinema hall. So this is the cinema hall. You can arrange your chairs as you want. Put your screen on this wall and then you are good to go. And this is the kitchen also on the upstairs if you want to cook something after gym. So here we are. You can make your popcorns here for the cinema. And then we have another bedroom. This you can use it as an office, guest bedroom, or anything you want to. And this comes with the big balcony. This is also some kind of terrace, small terrace, according to that. And here we have the road view. From here also you can see the beach. Let me drink some water. I am tired showing you this big villa. So you might be curious about the sizes, prices and the location. तो चलो अब मेन बात करते हैं इसके sizes के बारे में. तो इसका plot size है around 14,000 square feet and their built up is 23,000 square feet. If you will talk about the location and if you want to know more about the prices, comment below. I'll share you all the details and let's close the deal.